By the way, not just in terms of the evil that we see man commit against man, but even in terms of the natural disasters that we see. See, don't forget that when the fall came and Adam receives the curse, God says, cursed is the ground because of you. Why are there cyclones? Because Adam sinned. Why are there earthquakes? Because Adam sinned. Volcanoes? Because Adam sinned. Droughts? Because Adam sinned. The entire world was affected by man's sin. So when I say what's wrong with the world, I mean literally everything that's wrong with the world is a result of Adam's sin. And it is compounded by your sin and mine. And we're all guilty. We're born in it. As the psalmist would say, born in sin and shaped in iniquity. I've often said that people who don't believe in original sin don't have kids. We have to teach them almost everything. We don't have to teach them to sin. The last question.